Today, I'm showing you how to make a Grok Imagine video. Step by step from idea to final video. This is the exact workflow creators are using right now. Step 1. Get a full video story idea. Open ChatGPT, for example, and ask for a cinematic video story. For example, create a short cinematic story idea for a 60 to 90 second AI video and press on send. ChatGPT will generate a complete story with a beginning, middle, and ending. This becomes your video concept. Step 2. Break this story into scenes. Now ask ChatGPT again to break this story into separate scenes and generate a detailed AI video prompt for each scene. As you can see, now ChatGPT will give you scene-by-scene prompts, usually describing environment, characters, camera movement, mood, and lighting. This is the most important steps. Good prompts, better videos. Now, just copy these prompts. For example, let's copy the first scene, press on copy, take it to Grok, make sure that you chose the Imagine section, go to here and choose image, and then press on paste, press on send, and now Grok will generate an image of your scene. You might be asking, why we chose image instead of video? Well, in image, it gives you more options to choose from. Then we will convert this into a video. So for example, choose whichever picture you like the most. For example, I prefer this one and press on make video. Now you'll end up with this beautiful video that Grok has generated. Now generate each clip individually and keep the clips 5 to 10 seconds long so the total video stays under 2 minutes. Repeat this for every scene. Once all clips are generated, download them and then pick your video and go to your editing program. You can choose Premiere Pro, CapCut, Camtasia, whichever one that you want to use. Put your scenes in order inside the editing program, add music, sound effects, or text if you want. Important tips: always generate scenes one by one, not all at once. Keep prompts clear and visual, shorter clips look more cinematics. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.